Bonjour tout le monde and welcome to Musings of a Fox. So I've primed my lids with the Minor Sin eyeshadow primer potion, and let's get to the thing we all want to see and talk about, and that is the Urban Decay Backtalk palette. Here it is. It opens up kind of weird, not gonna lie. It opens up to the, yeah, told you it's kind of weird. It opens up to the blush palette first. The mirror is completely removable. It like hangs out in the center piece. And then here are the eyeshadows. So it's a little weird that the mirror comes out, but I actually like it because when I was playing with it on my way to work today in the car, I actually pulled this out and was doing my makeup this way in the car. I was able to look at myself versus having to like hold up the whole palette while still trying to get the eyeshadows. I was able to have the eyeshadow palette in my lap while holding the mirror, and it was pretty sweet. It's just really clumsy that every time I open the palette, the mirror kind of falls out. So that's kind of an issue. So if you leave the palette flat, it actually sits like that, but like that's a lot to hold up to your face. So I've been seeing a lot of like really sweet nude looks with like a bit of pop. I'm just gonna use this palette the way I would use this palette, which is gonna be a little more extreme. We're gonna use Attitude as a lid color. That's the way I use a palette like this. So I'm taking my well-loved Smith 235 brush, detaching the mirror so I can use it. I'm going to pick up quite a bit of Backtalk and put that in my crease. I feel like this is not picking up on camera, and that's really upsetting, but it is a very warm, corally, mauvey pink. But maybe it's just my my monitor that I have on my desk, but it looks super neutral. It's not that neutral. It's a very feisty kind of crease shade, but honestly that's about all the crease shades I really think there are in this palette, unless you want a very dark crease with WTF. I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush and buff out that edge. With a Smith 247, go in and put a little bit of WTF in the outer crease. Taking a Smith 256, we're just like having a good old time just diving into Attitude. Oh yes. This is like Mac Cranberry. Oh, hello, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my lashes are turning red. That's kind of a cool look, actually. So I am a little exhausted, guys. I'm not gonna lie. By the time this video goes up, I will be in the Central Coast with Cora filming a very exciting project that you guys won't see till about mid-April. Just so we get it like edited and perfect and amazing. It's a lot of prep. There's like trying to get my skin under control, just trying to like plot everything out, make sure nothing's missing, packing. It's like the best kind of stress you can have. Besides, I'd say my wedding was the best stress I have ever had, but like this ranks top 10 for like stressful things I have to do. So I'm really excited about that project. I will bring it to you as soon as I can. I'm sure we'll have some teaser photos on Instagram, so make sure you're following me at Musings of a Fox and Cora at Venture Tacky to get the behind the scenes details. Oh my god, this color. It's just so luminescent. For a red, that's so good. So pretty. 180 on a furless pencil brush. Since my eyes aren't angry yet, I'm going to push my luck and take a bit of Perversion on the upper lash line. Alright, so I totally just had a minor eye meltdown where my eyelash got in my eye and then kept poking myself in the eye, and we're all good now. So we're gonna move out from eyes to skin for a little bit. I am putting a bit of the Clinique eye cream on because my under eyes are dry as fudge. So, shock of all shocks, I'm using my favorite Urban Decay primer, the Optical Illusion Primer. I've learned that less is way, way more. So I put a little bit on my nose and a little bit up on my forehead where I have the most trouble with makeup stain. And then put it on my chin and then some right here. Alrighty, so for foundation today, since I'm tanned, sort of, I'm going to mix a bit of Urban Decay 325, which is the darkest of the Urban Decay shades that I have. And then I'm going to mix that with the It Cosmetics CC Cream in Light. My camera always makes my foundation look like 8,000 shades lighter than it actually is. So I mix peach and medium light warm with a little bit heavier mix of peach to help counterbalance my dark circles. Take a mix of low key and double take. Ooh, yes, that is a fiery glow. Taking my London Brush Company brush and Party Foul. Coming back to eyes, I'm going to try and put a little bit of Party Foul in my inner corner. Alright, taking Perversion liquid liner. Going to line the bottom lash line with alkaline liner. I know my poor eye is so angry. And then I'm going to take a MAC 208 and put shade all over alkaline. Oh, it is a perfect match. Oh my god. I'm going to throw on some brows with Brow Beater, and I'll meet you at my lips. Since just about everyone else I've seen use this palette has done a demure eye look and usually use the Backtalk lipstick, which I don't own, I'm gonna keep doing me. I'm gonna have some fun with one of my favorite Urban Decay lipsticks, Blackmail, and the Perversion lip pencil. So let's get weird. Now, because this pencil is black, I am not lining everything with it, but I am going to give a little bit of definition on the outer corners with black. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this playtime tutorial with the Urban Decay Backtalk palette. I know this is not what a lot of people are doing with the Backtalk palette. I know it's probably what you didn't expect from the Backtalk palette, but that's what I like to do. I like to take palettes that look demure and sweet and show you guys how it can be fun and edgy, or just be totally not what you expected it to be. So I hope you guys had fun with this look. Make sure to subscribe, as like I said, there is a crazy cool project coming later in April, and I have a little something planned up my sleeve for April Fools. See you guys then. Bye!